Well, the Prime Minister Liz Truss has touched down here in New York for her debut as British Prime Minister. Bloomberg's Lizzy Burden now joins us with the very latest. And Lizzy, I know we have a reporter, of course, who was on the plane with Liz Truss, Kitty Donaldson, and she had quite a lot of breaking news in terms of trade and actually what Liz Truss wants to accomplish in her trip here in New York.
Indeed, and it looks like a US trade deal is not going to be negotiated in the near future. Liz Truss doing a little bit of expectation management there. That was something that was meant to be one of the biggest prizes in the crown of post-Brexit opportunity. But despite Truss being the former trade minister and the former foreign secretary, she is not seeing this as something that's likely. It didn't look likely under Donald Trump, let alone under Joe Biden, especially given her relationship with him over Brexit. But it'd be interesting to see how their conversation goes this week. Also this week, though, on the domestic agenda, we're expecting a mini budget from the new Chancellor Kwasi Kwarteng, and he's expected to walk the walk on all of these tax cut pledges that Truss made during the leadership campaign, as well as to announce a 2.5% growth target. So really, this is the chance for Trussonomics to come into fruition.
Yeah, so if you look, and this is, as you say, a huge week for Liz Truss because of that mini budget by her Chancellor on Friday. But of course, she's also meeting with Emmanuel Macron. Maybe Biden will ask her some questions on the Northern Ireland Protocol. How big a week is it for Liz Truss?
Massive, premiership defining, really. She needs to set the tone policy-wise. She already managed to squeeze in, before the sad news of the Queen's passing, an energy bailout for consumers. Now she has the chance to follow it up with an energy bailout for business. And as well, we're expecting an announcement on how the government is going to deal with National Health Service backlogs, which of course perhaps are contributing to the inactivity rate, which is keeping the labour market tight. So all of this is Truss's opportunity to deal with the massive economic crisis facing the UK. The question is, though, how much will it add to borrowing and inflation itself, given how weak the pound is? We saw it hitting the lowest since 1985 last week on the anniversary, the 30th anniversary of Black Wednesday.